All right, guys, welcome to Glenwood by KB Homes. Now, in this video, we are going to be touring the plan 1768, so stay tuned. Welcome back to my channel. Now, if you guys are new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Abella with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now, what we do on my channel is we go over all the new build communities in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're looking to move to Las Vegas, or if you like looking at new home build tours, do me a favor, guys, hit the subscribe button, the like button, the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. All right, guys, so welcome to Glenwood by KB Homes. Now, just to give you guys an idea of where we're located, we're here in the southwest side of Las Vegas. So the cross street's gonna be Decatur and Cactus. So really close to Southern Highlands, you guys. Right, we're like 5 minutes away from the freeway, and then probably like 15 to 20 minutes away from the Las Vegas airport and the Strip. You got a bunch of KB communities close by, actually. So Belcara is just a few blocks away. You got Saguaro Ranch, okay, and then also some DR Horton and Richmond communities. But yeah, I will have the floor plans on the screen for you guys. So that they offer 5 different floor plans here, all ranging from 1203 square feet up to 2469 square feet. Now that the 1203 square feet model, that's the only single story floor plan they offer here in this community. The base prices are gonna range from $399,990 all the way to $474,990. Now guys, when you see base prices, if you want an accurate total of how much the house will cost, you have to add the base price plus the lot premium plus the upgrades, okay? So the lot premiums here for standard lots are gonna be about $9,000. Now the upgrades, buyers are going to spend on average about 10 to 12% of the base price in upgrades, okay? So you guys do the calculations. Also, HOA is going to be $57 a month. It is gated. There's 53 homes in the community. Average lot square feet is about 3,500. And what they're doing to a lot of KB Homes communities as well is they're going to have build from lot ups, which they specialize in, but they're also going to have quick move-ins available as well in a bunch of communities, okay? So whatever your need is, if you're looking to move quickly, they do have some options available, as well as if you want to build from lot up. So let's get started with a tour. Welcome everyone to the plan 1768. Now this is a 2-story, 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage, and the base price is $429,990. If you build from lot up, you do have the option between 3 different elevations. Now that's the elevation is just how the outside looks, okay? So some elevations might have that stacked brick right there, some won't. All right, now the paver driveway will be included in the desert landscaping. So this is the sales office. But yeah, let's go take a look, guys. So as soon as you walk in, now you do have this 8-foot door. And then you're gonna have the upgraded 9-foot ceiling up here, okay? And then also, guys, if you want to know, if you're curious to see what upgrades are in this model, you could pause right there. You could just take a look, okay? All right. So right here to the left, we have the door to the garage. You're gonna have the stairs that go to the 2nd floor. Now, this is going to be the main living area, you guys. Okay, so kitchen, living room, and dining room. One thing that I love about this so far is you're going to have windows all throughout right here. So a lot of light inside the home, you guys. Okay. And then you'll also have your powder room like tucked away in the side over there. Okay. So this is going to be your powder room. Okay, look at that wallpaper. All right, so over here as well, guys, you also have like this linen closet. Okay, now these doors are 6x7 doors. Okay, you also have your coat closet right here. Now I will point out the upgrades as I see them, you guys. So you're looking at right now 9-foot ceilings. That is an upgrade with a builder. That's an absolute must upgrade, you guys, especially for resale purposes. You definitely want to add that 9-foot ceiling, just because it opens everything up. So, you know, I have spoken to buyers before that moved into KB and they kept it 8-foot ceilings, and a lot of them told me that they regret not upgrading to the 9-foot ceiling. Okay. Also, guys, want to point out, so the flooring is upgraded. Now, flooring is one thing that most buyers will always upgrade, because the standard is going to be, you're pretty much going to have carpet all throughout the house, except for the wet areas. You'll have like a 17x17 ceramic tile. So just picture this, guys. In the kitchen right here, you'd have your 17x17 ceramic tile. You'd have all carpet all throughout. In the bathroom, you'd have that same tile. The laundry room, as well as the entryway, you would have that tile. If you want to upgrade into like a different type of flooring, like these planks right here, that is optional. And then having it all throughout the first floor is optional as well, okay? Now you will get the pre-wire set for the ceiling fan in the great room, as well as the primary bedroom, okay? So those are going to be included. If you want pre-wire ceiling fans anywhere else, you would have to add that. Okay, guys, so welcome to the kitchen. As far as the granite countertop, the countertop in the kitchen comes with granite, and I'm just not too sure. This might be an upgraded granite. Now, these cabinets are optional, guys, the white ones. The standard cabinets are going to be the maple. You're going to have 36-inch cabinets, and you have a few choices between, like, you know, the maple colors. Now, this is a 42-inch cabinet, so that is upgraded. Now, as far as appliances go, it does not include the washer, dryer, and the refrigerator, but it does include the dishwasher, okay, your stove, oven, your microwave, but these are upgraded. This is an upgraded microwave, as well as the stovetop oven, okay. Yeah, this might be an upgraded dishwasher as well. Okay, we got this beautiful dual basin, matte black sink with the matte black faucet. Oh, okay. This one actually might be new. The matte black faucet they used to have was a little, it's a bit thicker. That's nice. But yeah, if you need to get the refrigerator, the washer and dryer, you can definitely get with the builder, okay? You know, I've actually looked at the prices of the appliances that the builder charges for them, and it's actually pretty competitive, you guys. So if it makes it easier for you to just buy it with the builder, then by all means, or you could just have like order from Best Buy and just have them install it. Okay, so this is your pantry. Pretty good space right there, you guys. And then because you do, let's say if you're gonna upgrade to the 9-foot ceilings, you'll already have like the upgraded 8-foot slider. Okay, this is actually a pretty good sized backyard back here. Here, we'll check it out. So a couple of things to know, guys, about your backyard. When you move in, it's gonna be just a dirt lot. Okay, you'll have about a year by the HOA to landscape your backyard. Okay, it's nice. You have this little side gate right here. All right. Okay. There's also some structural upgrades that you can do too. Like if you want a patio, that's an option. Now guys, if you are interested in a new build community, or if you have any questions at all, you know, give me a call, guys. My info is going to be in the description below, or at least let your realtor know that you're interested in a new build community. The thing is, if you go to a new build community for your very first visit by yourself, they won't let you be represented. You definitely want representation, just because, we look after your best interest. We negotiate for you. We make sure you get all the max builder incentives. And the builder agents have a fiduciary relationship with the builders. So, us is with you guys. And plus the builders pay the agent fees. So definitely a win-win. Okay, so up here, you're gonna have your loft. You'll have your primary bedroom, laundry room, and then your guest beds, okay? You have your linen closet right here as well. Okay, so this is gonna be your full bath. You have your dual sinks. Actually, in this bathroom, if you want 2 sinks, you do have to upgrade it into 2 sinks because it just comes with 1. That's another upgrade I'd recommend as well. Okay, now this is actually the quartz that comes included in the bathroom. So, it's not bad. If you definitely wanted to save some money, you could keep these quartz for the bathrooms. I mean, I think they look nice. That's an optional window right there. Okay, we got the shower tub combo. So we got the matte black fixtures. Okay, so welcome to the guest bedroom. This is probably gonna be 10 feet this way, but this way you're probably looking at like 12 feet. So it's nice. Also too, guys, remember when you move into your new build home, there won't be any lights or even the pre-wire to the ceiling fan in any of the guest bedrooms. So that's something you would have to add on. Okay, we got the transfer grills here to regulate the airflow. Also, guys, the stair rail right here, this is an optional stair rail. If you didn't do like this mission style railing in white, you would have a pony wall. As far as the doors, these are standard doors, so you're gonna have the 2-panel doors. Okay, orange peel texture. You're gonna have the flat edge cornering. All right, and then I think the standard baseboards are going to be the, let me see here. Pretty sure it's like 3-inch baseboards. So I think those are upgraded baseboards actually. Okay, welcome to the other guest bed. I would say this is about a 10 by 11. Now this is a full size bed. Okay, so as you can see, you have like you have some room on the sides. You have these little desks to the sides. Okay, nice loft, cozy loft. Now this is gonna be the laundry room. Again, guys, washer and dryer is not included, but what you see is pretty much standard. If you wanted to have some cabinets up here, that's optional. You could definitely do that as well. Okay, now this is where your smart panel box is. This is gonna be for your internet router, your modem. You're just gonna have all your Cat 6s in there. Welcome to the primary bedroom. So this is a king size bed. Nice. So this is the optional walk-in shower right here. Now, if you didn't do this option, there's a couple of things you could actually do here. You could have a shower. You could do the shower tub combo is standard, okay? Or you could have the walk-in shower, and then I think you'd have the tub would be separate. Yeah, a separate shower and a separate tub. All right, so we got your toilet room. And then we have your walk-in closet. All right, guys, that is it for this model. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. If you guys have any questions, if you're curious to know any of the builder incentives, guys, reach out to me, okay? You could call me, you could text me, but until then, I'll catch you guys next video.